Offhand, I can deduce very little. Only that the words are written with a broad, pointed quill pen, which is spattered twice. That the paper is of native Mongolian manufacture, no watermark, and has been gummed, if I'm not very much in error, by a who has been drinking Rodent's Delight, a cheap brandy sold only in the seediest pubs.
Oh, amazing.
Oh, not really, Doctor. We still don't know where it came from. Perhaps a closer inspection will tell us something. Coal dust. Clearly of the type used in sewer lamps.
But Basil,
Don't speak. Excuse me, Dawson. Steady hand. Yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes. Good, good. No, like that. Good, good. Good. Yeah, no, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, don't go back up. Yes, come on, come on. Yes, yes. Ha ha! We've done it, old fellow! This reaction could only have been triggered by the paper's extreme saturation with distillation of sodium chloride.
salt water? Great Scott.
It proves beyond a doubt. This list came from the riverfront area.
Oh, now, steady on there, Basil.
No, no. Elementary, my dear Dawson. We merely look for a seedy pub at the only spot where the sewer connects to the waterfront.